Here's ending the topic of personality traits of zodiacs with Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. Capricorn, hardest worker with lifestyle as all work, no play. Positive, Capricorns have a sense of responsibility, maturity, and discipline. They are responsible, family oriented, and good craftsmen. Other Capricorn traits include great determination and a realistic and practical nature. They try to avoid being lied to and having to postpone their plans. It is quite easy to approach Capricorn as they are friendly and diplomatic persons. Some other Capricorn qualities are perseverance, honesty, and great self-control. They are not only energetic task achievers but also very calm and patient persons. They may not aim to change the world, but they sure change the lives of people around them. They make good team leaders and organizers because of their single-minded focus on their work, sense of responsibility, and sincerity. Smart, hardworking, and fully in control of their destiny, a Capricorn will always get what they set their mind to in both personal and professional life. No excuses. A Capricorn will dive into a relationship like a job and believes that hard work can help make a bond as strong as possible. Negative, Capricorns never forgive. They can patch things up and be civil, but there's no going back to how things used to be once they've gone sour. Capricorns are very guarded people. If they find out you are capable of hurting them, they won't let you get close enough to do it again. Stubborn. They are generally stubborn people who will always stick to their beliefs and way of doing things. They can also be impulsive in almost all areas of life and often regret their actions later. The reason why the zodiac can sometimes come off to be emotionally cold is because they are highly practical and will never let emotions govern their decisions. Best advice for Capricorns: loosen up. You can still be as serious as you want in your career, but understand that success feels thin if other aspects of your life are empty. Aquarius. Aquarius born are considered to be the philosophers of the zodiac. Positive. Some other Aquarius traits include genuine curiosity, sympathy, great organizational skills, and a good vibe to everyone they come across with. Aquarius loves having mind-stimulating conversations and trying new things. They are captivated by ingenious and energetic people. They feel good in a group or a community, so they constantly strive to be surrounded by other people. They are deeply creative thinkers and often dream about changing the world with their big ideas and unconventional attitude. Being affectionate and friendly by nature, the Aquarius born are very attractive and popular. They do not open up emotionally too soon. Not many people can relate to them. So though they may have many friends, not many of them will be close. Aquarians don't like labels and may shy away from any adjective, even the good ones you may bestow upon them. They are very concerned about others, not because of how others treat them or how they want others to treat them. Aquarians have energy, warmth, and a deep desire to get things done. Negative, rebellious. They will seldom ask for your permission to do something, and if you say no, well, they'll carry on anyway. Pessimistic. Aquarius don't know how to find something good in any situation and will cling to all the negative things that may or may not happen. Absent-minded. If an Aquarius isn't responding to what you say, chances are they have wandered off to their la-la land. Impatient. If the water bearer wants something, it is now or never. Advice for Aquarians? They need to learn to trust others and express their emotions in a healthy way. Last on the list, Pisces. Known as the creators of the zodiac, they are dream lovers or partners in the positive manifestation of their personalities. Positive? Their hopes and dreams have the potential to manifest as long as they pull them out of the imagination and connect with real people. Pisces are very friendly, so they often find themselves in a company of very different people. Are selfless. They're always willing to help others without hoping to get anything back. Pisces is characterized by empathy and expressed emotional capacity. Are more intuitive than others and have an artistic talent. Neptune, their ruling planet, is connected to music, so Pisces reveal music preferences in the earliest stages of life. They are generous, compassionate, and extremely faithful and caring. Pisces appreciate being surrounded by talented people and taking time to step aside and notice the human nature in action. Pisces are sensitive and get along well in small groups of people. A Piscean is rarely lonely when they are by themselves and have an active imagination. Pisces love spending time reading, exploring, and creating art or music, and understanding their emotions through art. Pisces may seem quiet, but they are incredibly strong and have a very strong sense of right and wrong. Tend to take in everything around them, and they are great people to ask for advice on pretty much anything. Negative, extremely sensitive. The extremely sensitive nature is the reason they are not able to handle the challenges of life in an efficient manner. Pessimistic. It is seldom that they think positive, and when they do, something or the other blows their mind in the opposite direction. Money matters to them a lot, and they would do what it takes to make sure the cash keeps flowing in. Indecisive. Pisces don't like taking decisions. They would prefer to be on the back seat and just go with the flow. Advice? When you're living on a different frequency than everyone else, you can't connect and share all the love and feelings you have to offer. See if you can come up for air more often. So here's a wrap on the topic of zodiacs. Stay with Learn On for more exciting topics.